Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another perfume review video. My name is Naz. This is my channel, the King of Hidden Gems. I try to bring to your attention fragrances are usually very good value for money. They smell good. They're usually on the radar, not many people talk about them. I think at least you should do your research, try them for yourself and see if they're any good to you. So in this video I have another unboxing and first impression for you, and this is the brand Hamidi. Brand Hamidi is another subsidiary of Sterling Perfumes from United Arab Emirates. They are getting quite traction these days because of good reasons, because they make amazing fragrances for the price. So I unboxed and reviewed at least about 4 to 5 Hamidis, and each of them were so impressive, especially for the price. And now I had to get this one to see how it goes. So this one in particular, called Aqeeq By Hamidi. This is targeted unisex, 100 ml eau. As always, amazing presentation for under £25. In United Kingdom you can find it under £25. In other parts of the world you have to do your research and see if they're available, and if they are available, how much they go for. I'm expecting it to be similar prices in overseas as well. But before I do the unboxing, please, if you like what I do, if you find it useful, informative, valuable or entertaining, don't forget to hit those buttons. For you is only a small movement of a finger, but for me it means a lot. It means you are validating my work. It means you want me to bring you fragrances like this in future that nobody else is talking about, and you want hidden gems. Thank you very much for your support, and let's go. So beautiful box as always. For under £25, where do you get presentation like this apart from Middle Eastern fragrances? So it opens like this, slides out, and look at the bottle. Gorgeous, beautiful bottle as well. This one is like a dark red. Sort of red, between brown and red. So very nice presentation as always. Middle Eastern fragrances, they give you everything plus the kitchen sink. Okay, very heavy bottle, heavy glass. The cap is quite heavy, plastic but quite heavy, and the atomizer is golden and modern. And here we go. Good atomizer, gives it lots of juice out. So this is Aqeeq. I think Aqeeq is a gemstone again in Arabic. Yeah, I think so. And this one is a little 100 ml, targeted unisex, and as I said, under £25. Here we go. First sniff, first impression. Woo! Big rose, massive rose. Right now it's got some lemony feel to it. It's like a lemon sherbet. So it's a lemony, bergamot, maybe a little bit of lime as well, but massive rose in the beginning as well. Very spicy, again, saffron at least. I smell something like a cumin, maybe a little bit as well, but saffron definitely in here. A little bit of fruitiness to it, but the fruits are like a dry fruit again. Maybe raisin, maybe date feel to it. So it's quite sweet in terms of sweetness. Yeah, 0 to 10 being the sweetest. This is around 7 to 8, so it's quite sweet, at least for the first impression. Big on the floral, especially the rose. The rose is massive and it's jammy. So this is a jammy rose. If you like your jammy rose, this is very good. This is like a sweet jammy rose. I smell some other florals in here, most likely to be white florals. I can smell at least jasmine. There is a big beautiful jasmine in here, but it is behind the rose. Rose is the first big player, and then there is the jasmine. I smell a little bit of incensey feel to it, and also that saffron, little bit of oudiness. Oud at the moment is in the background. It's just a hint of it. Little bit of ambery feel to it. So it's got an ambery body, but the ambery here is quite deep and resinous, and it's quite heavy on the base. Yeah, very resinous. So this is a resin, beautifully done. Under £25 again, unbelievable. How do they do it? I don't know, but it's good for us consumers. I'm loving these ones. I unboxed and reviewed two of these ones before, and they were mesmerizingly beautiful, and this one is no exception. Is absolutely amazing. Very good quality, very nice smell to them, very straight to the perfume, no alcohol, no harshness, no syntheticness. How do they do it? It's just beyond me. Yeah, little bit of fruity still is there. It's just, it smells like a at the moment, smells like a rose ice cream. It's so sweet and rosy and lemony and fruity, and although it's a, woody in the base, it's of the, that patchouli feel to it. Is that patchouli in here? Yeah, definitely patchouli. The in Middle Eastern brands, 90% of the time or 95% of the time they use patchouli for a good reason. Patchouli is amazing. You put it in anything, it will give that base, that beautiful, gorgeous base into the perfume. And in here is no exception. It's making it very, very opulent. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. So yes, for a first impression, absolutely gorgeousness. Yes, I'm loving it. As I said, I'm speechless. How do they do it for under £25 for such a beauty? Definitely unisex, definitely mature, definitely you need to like your Orientals, Middle Eastern fragrances, because this is heavy on the rose, heavy on the patchouli, heavy on the spices, especially saffron, ambery feel to it. Amber is very, very resinous. It's got an incense feel to it. Is at the moment in the beginning is very, very lemony and is limey. And let's about fruity feel to it, but the fruits are mainly dry fruits in here. So rose massive, floral, and the floral are jasmine plus rose, but jasmine is secondary, rose is the biggest player. Goodness me, how do they do it? Beautiful, beautiful, very, very beautiful. This is very, very good for going out, for evening, for special occasion, for formal occasion. Absolutely gorgeous. Definitely unisex, 50-50, anybody can use it, but you need to like your rose, because rose is almost the biggest player here. In terms of occasion, again, in terms of season, better suited for cooler weather, but you can use it on all year round because it's got freshness to it. In winter, more sprays, in summer, less sprays. Who is it for? This is definitely mature and people who like their Orientals, especially rose. Rose is massive in here. And in terms of what else, occasion, as I said, is formal, evening and things like that. Cooler weather suited better, and 25 and up to in the safe side. In terms of performance, at the moment it's feeling room, feeling the house, but I have to report back to you to see how is the longevity and development, things like that. But the other two I've unboxed and reviewed from this line, they were absolutely almost beast mode, so strong as well. Okay guys, if you have it, if you know it, if you tried it, let us know your experience. That would be useful for others to read. If you like what I do, if you find it useful, informative, valuable, don't forget to hit those buttons. This way you help me, encourage me, motivate me to bring you fragrances like this that nobody else is talking about. They are hidden gems, amazing value for money, and they smell amazing. If you like to purchase one of my own fragrances, I'm a perfumer myself. I make my own perfume line. It's called Scent of Persia. The reason is because I bring the ingredients from my country, Iran. They are one of the best ingredients in the world because we don't produce that much of it. And they are, when I come up with this concoction, they are super artistic, ultra beast mode, amazing value for money, 100% natural, very artistic, very mesmerizing, very mysterious fragrances, very unique, but you need to live in our kingdom in order to purchase them. I'll leave them in the link as well. Thank you very much, and I'll see you later. Bye.